I'm here with Melinda from Thunder Riders West HOG chapter out of Morrow, Georgia. I want to talk to you a little bit, Melinda, about the great support we've enjoyed from the local motorcycle community. As you know, in 17 and 18, we had Patriot Guard riders, combat vets, and some other people. Last year, you actually reached out to the Bennett family of companies and asked if you could get involved with Wreaths Across America. Why'd you do that?
Well, you probably know that Harley owners are pretty patriotic, and we like to support our veterans. And we saw this as an opportunity to show support, to show respect through the program that Wreaths Across America offers.
You guys hosted or participated in how many events last year?
We did 3 events. We hosted the first one, Thunder for the Wreaths ride, which was a fundraiser. We had a bike ride and had a lot of other things going on to raise money. And then we participated in the Wreaths of Honor ride in September from Atlanta Motor Speedway back to Bennett. Phil, all of those events were impactful in some way or another. But the biggest thing for me was in December, seeing probably 1,000 or more people gathered together from all walks of life for a common goal, common bond. And they were all there to show respect and to honor those veterans that had passed away. And that speaks volumes for me.
For me, I think it was seeing America's youth out there.
Yes.
The small children, the young kids that probably didn't have, or maybe did have, a family member interned there, and to see them participate and the attention that they showed when the program director talked about how you remember them, how you honor them, how you say their name. That was pretty amazing. Let's fast forward to December, and the stars align, everything works out, and we're blessed with another convoy.
And good weather.
And good weather, you know, got to have that. Is Thunder Riders West HOG chapter going to escort the convoy to Andersonville this year?
We absolutely are.
Are your members going to do the labor that they did last year, unloading those trailers?
We absolutely
unboxing those
will.
wreaths?
Absolutely. It is our honor and our privilege.
Melinda, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.